Hello everyone, and welcome to Unit 1 of our course on the United States federal government. I'm excited to begin this journey with you as we explore the foundations of our nation's political system. This first unit is designed to set the stage for everything we will learn throughout the semester. It's where we establish the big picture of how American democracy works, where it came from, and how it continues to shape our daily lives. In this unit, we'll start by looking at the principles behind the creation of the U.S. government. You'll learn how ideas from Enlightenment thinkers, the experiences of the early colonists, and the failure of the Articles of Confederation all came together to influence the writing of the U.S. Constitution. We'll discuss how the framers worked to balance liberty with order, and why compromises such as those over representation and slavery were so critical in forming the document that governs us to this day. We will also explore the concept of federalism, one of the most important and sometimes most controversial features of our political system. Federalism defines the relationship between the national government and the states, a relationship that has shifted over time and continues to spark debate. You'll see how historical events from the Civil War to the Civil Rights Movement have tested and redefined this balance of power. Another major theme in this unit is the separation of powers. The framers designed a system where legislative, executive, and judicial powers are divided amongst three branches to prevent tyranny. We'll discuss how checks and balances work in practice and whether they serve a purpose in today's political climate still. Finally, we'll look at the role of citizens in our democracy. From voting and civic participation to understanding rights and responsibilities, you'll see how individuals like you fit into the broader system. This part of the unit will help you connect abstract concepts to real-world examples, showing why government is not just something that happens in Washington, D.C., but something that affects your everyday life. By the end of this unit, you'll have a solid understanding of the Constitution, federalism, and the structure of government. You'll also have a clearer sense of how these principles impact current events and the decisions made by leaders at every level. So as you move through the readings, lectures, and assignments, I encourage you to think critically about the material and ask yourself, how do these ideas from over 200 years ago still influence us today? Where do you see tensions between liberty and order, state and federal power, or individual rights and the common good? This is going to be a fascinating start to our course. I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts, questions, and insights as we explore the origins and foundations of American democracy together.